All right, everyone, welcome, welcome, welcome. This is the 10th May, the end of the week here. The week is ending here today. It's a Friday. So let's take a look at gold on the daily. Gold on the daily, we've pushed up massively, 382 pips yesterday, $38. And right now, we're also pushing up as well. So the trend here is obviously bullish. Okay, looking at the 4-hour time frame, whoa, we are pushing up over here. Trend is bullish. Looking at the 1-hour time frame. We are again pushing up here. Trend is bullish on the 1-hour time frame. Let's take a look on the 30 minute. Looking at the 30 minute, the trend is still bullish, right? And now we're going to plot our zones. Now notice I didn't plot zones on the 4-hour and 1-hour because we were very, very bullish. So I didn't want to waste time in plotting it on the 1-hour and 4-hour because if we are bullish, then there's a very high probability that we're looking for a continued uptrend, right? So this is what we got. We got a support formed, and then at the same time we got a resistance formed right over here. And now it's very simple. If we break above this resistance, there's a very high probability that maybe price can continue to push up, which is understanding in an uptrend. So let's take a look to the left hand side. Looking to the left hand side, we're looking for candles, and this is what we got right over here. This is the first candle structure we have at 2362, and this is a 76 pip range. This is a very, very good range for price to come into, right? It's, from 2354 all the way into 2362. This is a excellent range for a price to come into. See how quickly I can navigate C-Trade? But okay, so let's measure how big the current range is here. This range is, let's see, boom, boom. This is a 655 pip range. Let's take a look on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, now, so what I'm looking at the 15-minute time frame is I'm trying to see if in this 55 pip range, can we get some sort of a trading idea? And the only thing that pops in my mind is if we break above this wick. And if we break above this wick and we measure the range, this is a 21 pip range. So this is not a good trading idea, not a good trading idea, right? So no. Let's switch back to the 30-minute time frame and see what's happening here now. So looking at the 30-minute time frame, of course, we know anything above 2354 is going to be buys. Also, it's a Friday, so we got to be very, very careful here today to make sure we don't lose our gains. Now, looking at it from a selling perspective, what I see after the support is another support, another support, another support, right? So these are support, 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 supports. Now, if we break below support and the next support is 10 pips away, 15 pips away, then we gotta bring this down here, right? And if next support is, bring this down here, bring this down here. So now, if you're looking to see if price breaks support, and if the next support is, let's say, more than 25 pips away or more than 30 pips away, then that's a tradable range there, right? So let's say we had clean candles here and price broke below support, and you're like, okay, this is a 40 pip range, then that would have been a tradable range. Right now, this is below the support. This is very messy, So I'm gonna put it right over here where it's cleaner. It's much more nicer to look at, right? So if you take a look at this now, I want to take a look at this wick on the 15 minute. Okay, yeah, it's there as well. So let's just focus on the 30 minute. So all we know is on the 30 minute, if we break below, let's say 2345, right? 2345, there's a very high probability we can continue pushing down, and that's where you have a 74 pip range. So maybe that's a tradable range there, because we have clean range at this point. But anyway, we're going to be waiting. I'm going to be waiting to see if we break above 2354. Or on the other hand, the other thing I was thinking just now is if a candle can break and close below 2349, in this wick, if we can break and close below 2349, maybe we can anticipate the volume from the London session to continue pushing price down. Right? That would make sense. We can anticipate the volume from the London session to continue pushing price down. Yeah. So we'll have to wait. Let's take a look at pound yen over here. Pound yen on a daily time frame. Wow, we are pushing up. So remember how we did analysis here on the daily, on this daily, this daily, this daily. We are bullish because we're moving up. Looking at the 4-hour, we are bullish. We're moving up. We have some supports form here, and prices basically trending up. Let's take a look on the 1 hour time frame. Looking at the 1 hour time frame now. Of course, the 1 hour candle is about to close, and if the 1 hour candle is about to close, this is the resistance we have right over here, right? This is the resistance we have right here, and this is the support we have right here. So if we break above resistance, let's say 194, or let's say 195, looking to the left hand side, wow, we still have the same clean range that we have from yesterday. I want to take a look at that on the 30-minute time frame. So in the 30-minute time frame, it seems like we can maybe come up to, we got clean candle, clean candle, clean candle. Maybe come up till right over here, 195, 420. But the problem is? The problem is that 195 is a very strong psychological level, which means that price may have some issues breaking above that area. Price may have some issues, may. It's not like it will. It may have some issues breaking above that area. At the same time, I mean, you got the support. So basically, so let me talk about this, right? So we're basically consolidating, and then recently we moved up in the Asian session. Okay, so this is the session trend. Overall, we're consolidating, but recently is like the last 7, 8, 9, 10 candles. We moved bullish. So session trend is bullish. So if you're looking for sells, you're looking to see if we can create support. If we create support and we break support, then we can look at sells for price to continue pushing down towards 194,540. That's it. You know, just gotta wait for price to create some support. 15 minute, yeah, whatever. So maybe if we can create support right over here, then we can continue to push down. But if we break above 195, then we can continue to move up. I doubt if we will break 195. If we do, then we do know where the target is. Then the target is like 44 pips away. So, yeah, we'll see if we keep on rallying on pound yen or we kind of like calm down. But gold is going to be interesting above 23.54. So we'll see what price action brings. Also, there's going to be no live stream today. We're going to see you guys on Monday for the live stream. I think, yeah, we also have a simulation session on Sunday too. So we're going to see you then. Take care, everyone, and be safe.